my tutorial. This time around I want to teach how to calculate mathematics in with PHP. How to calculate mathematics with PHP. Very easy, so that you can equally, if you don't know, you can get formulas and align it, then you can put in your figures and generate your answers for you. Very easy. PHP can do. So you can even do your algebra, you can do your linear equations, simultaneous equations, all the whole equations, you can easily do. But I'm not going to give you that. I'm going to give you a hint on how to do it, so that you can create your own based on the formula you want to use. Very easy. Alright, so I'll go to my Dreamweaver. Okay, open a new and use PHP. Alright, this time around I'm going to title my mathematics. So I'll say mathematics. You understand? So that I'll understand, so that you can differentiate each of the pages. Okay, very easy, very easy. Okay, so I want to save it. Okay, let me go create a folder first of all. Let me create a folder first of all. Yeah, I'm going to create another one here, so I'll call this one mathematics. So I'll save this there. Inside mathematics, I'll save it as index. Okay, so I'll say mathematics. Alright, so many people then they don't like maths at all, just like a headache. Alright, so anything I'm doing now, I'm going to do it here. So I call PHP. So it's very easy. I'm going to show you something now. When I say I want to make I want the string A to be equals to true. Okay, then equals to true. Then I want the string B to be equals to, let's say, 6. Okay, so I will now say echo string A plus string B. Okay, no. Before I echo that, I will say string sum of string A plus string B. So I will now say echo string sum. So when I do that, I'll come back here, say local host. So I'll say mathematics. Okay, I have 8. So 6 plus 2 gives you 8. So I'm going to be doing something here so that I will have my code being viewed big, so you see it very well. So I'll make my style font size. I'll make it 34 pixels. Okay, so you can see the 8 here now very well. Let me say text align center. So that should be at the center. Okay, so this is my board. So you're going to be seeing it here direct. So it's 8. So if I say minus here, if I say minus and I fresh, it's going to give me -4. Now, do you know why it's giving me -4? Because I'm minusing the little smaller one from this. So if I'm saying, for instance, let's say what I'm going to do, minus B from A, is to give me 4. So inside 6, what it means mathematics wise is that inside 6, if you minus 2, what will be left? So it's not like 2 minus 6, it's going to be 2 minus 6 is minus 4. But when you say minus 2 from, minus 2 from 6, what will be the balance? So if though we want to divide this, for instance, so now say it's going to give us 3. So 6 into 3. Okay, so 3 can go 6 2 times. 2 can go 6 3 times. But you divide it, you're going to give 3. So that's it. Okay, so I'm going to do a big maths work, but I want to show you other ones again that we can do. Now, for instance, you want to do cosine rules, the rest of them, tangents, percentage, those ones. Alright, now let's say, when I say echo, we're going to use bracket. So I'll say tan, okay, and I'll open another bracket. Then I'll say, let me just say 50. Give me a tan of 50. So I'm gonna go. So this is my tan of 50. So if I say give me a tan of 10, so you're gonna get tan of 10. So if I say give me a tan of 12, it's going to give me a tan of 12. So mostly if you want to get this negative out of your, so you use 0.12. So the 0 sign takes off your negative sign. So from there you can now understand what you're doing. Alright, so the same thing applicable to if I'm doing sine rule. So let's say I'm using this for sine. Okay. Now this will have my tan, so I use sine. So if I want to do cosine rule, also I'm going to use cosine rule. You get me now? So if I want to use log, I'm going to do the same thing. I'll say log. So now in log, I have to take off this 0 because I'll only look for log 12, log 10, log 5. Okay, so I want to say I'm looking for log 2. You're going to give me log 2. So I want to say I want to look for log 22. So it's going to give me log 22. So these are this easy way you can get this solved work. They say find log this, you solve. Well, you know what? In one of my videos, I'm going to show you how to create a full mathematics application using PHP. It's very wonderful. Where you can add, you just need a form, put your form information. So you can go back and create your own personal one. You can create your personal mathematics application. You can just ask, maybe someone asks the question, if 5 minus 1 plus 3 is equals to 0 and 7 minus, so you have all the whole mathematics, so you can know how to build your own mathematics application. You understand? So your own mathematics application that you can be using always. So it's very easy, very easy. I believe that's going to do. I'll do that when in my next one of my videos. I'll do that in one of the videos. So this is just what you do. When you say log or cosine, whatever figure you want, it's going to give you the log of it. So remember using your brackets. So this bracket tells you what you're looking for, and this bracket tells you the figure of what this log is to get for you. So it's just very easy. Alright, so I'm going to do something and I'm going to string my log in it and let's see how it's going to work. Alright, so let's say I have a string A to be equals to 3, then I will say string B equals to 12, then string C equals to 10. Equals to 10. Then string D equals to 8. Alright, I'm going to use this to work now. So I'll say string car to be equals to, so calculate, so it's going to be equals to, say, string A plus string C, open bracket, close bracket. I will now say string A times string B. Then I'll say divide by string C. No, by string D. Sorry. So I'll close it. So now I'm going to come down here and say echo string that's calculate. So I'll open my, so it's giving me an error. Now let's find out where we have this error. Take off this. I don't want to divide now. Maybe I want to divide in my next one. Okay. Alright, I need to make this know what you're doing here. So you can see now she's giving 49. So if I say, for instance, you divide this, let A plus C divide A times B. Okay, let's see, it's gonna look like, wow. So even though you want to do it on your own, you just do a little calculation yourself, you find that this is what you're going to come out with. 77778, which is equals to 3.3. So if I say, okay, why that one is times, I'll now say plus, then I'll say, yeah, divide string D. I want to say, so it's going to give me 17.5. Now, what do I mean by that? I'm not saying 3 plus 8 plus 3 times 12. And I say divide by what? By, go, no, I say 3 plus 10 plus 3 times 12 divided by 8. So you can do your mathematics like that. All you just need to do, get those figures, get what I mean by percentage, get what you're going to do by cosine, get what you're going to do. Like now I want to do something to get 5% of 3. You can get all those things using PHP. Very wonderful. Because when people find it when they start working on JavaScript, using JavaScript for calculations, building and building. Some will build and build. I can make a simple calculator using PHP. just make my calculator, bam, bam, you do 3 plus 3, it will give me my answer. 7 plus 5, it will give me my answer. Divide this by it to give me when I say cosine. Now, because even with PHP, I can make a scientific calculator well working. Now, more videos I'll add those things to it so you will understand what it means. By calculation, things like that is very wonderful, so unique. So I believe everyone watching this, you've seen something here. So even though you refresh, it's gonna give you that same thing. So very easy. So by the time you have your forms and you input this information and use your submit button, it's just gonna give you, use the calculate button or whatever. It's gonna give you a complete answer. And you know the funny thing, it's not giving you an answer that is wrong. It's giving you an accurate answer. So do you know what? I would love you to try it your own self and see how it works. And also what? So if you know you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel and you're not yet subscribed, so please subscribe, like my video, and also share my video. Thank you.